Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change your YouTube profile picture on your phone. This will work on both Android and iPhone, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is open up the YouTube app, and then you'll be on the home page. Then you want to tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner, and then you want to tap on your channel. Once you've done that, you can now see this is your channel page. This is just a random blank channel that I have. So you can see this little pencil icon there. You want to tap on that pencil icon, and you'll notice at the top where the profile picture is, there's a little camera icon in the middle. If you simply just tap on the profile picture, you now have the option to take a photo or choose from your photos. So it's all up to you. I already have a photo saved to my device, so I'll select choose from your photos, and then I'll select the image that I want to use as my profile picture. And then once this loads up, you can also zoom in on it as well if you want to see how it will look. So let me just go back and select that again. So there we go. So now you need to tap on save at the top right hand corner, and it should update in a moment. So it says profile photo updated successfully. And if I go back to my channel, you can now see that the profile picture has changed. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.